I think the two most critical things for a startup and to create new innovative ventures are ease of doing business and financing. The former, because startup is always against well-established, large, well-funded companies, which are in effect competitors. So focusing on the business without any distraction of regulatory, very stringent regulatory norms, or what one would perhaps say a bit of an Inspector Raj, I think taking away those would be very, very useful. And with the Prime Minister's focus again on Startup India, Stand Up India, I think there is a very clear need of cleaning the cobwebs and clearing the path for startups to really become innovative companies. Today we have 11 of the 59 unicorns in the world sitting in India, and that can just multiply phenomenally, both because of the large markets that India provides, as well as the innovation and talent pool that India is creating. If we had a much more active domestic pool of capital for the startups, for the early stage investing, this could have a completely different trajectory, much, much faster, much, much easier, and the startups would grow fast, much more seamlessly. A need to create a domestic source of VC money is imperative. This has been done by creating enabling measures for pension funds to invest, insurance companies and banks to invest a very small portion of their corpus in SEBI-registered AIF funds. This is in fact what has created the VCP industry abroad, and China has now taken this to a different level. It has really gone from 50% to 100% domestic money in the last few years. And that is something that I think India can look at and see how it can model and tweak to really harness this domestic money. I, as a finance minister, would like to really see if we can bring the alignment of unlisted companies, specifically those by venture capital funds and angel groups, to be aligned to the tax regime for the listed companies. The last thing that I would say is this one step will make the funds of funds come alive with a bang, as most of the VC funds it anchors will raise 80% of their corpus beyond this 10,000 crore fund. So just by leveraging this 10,000 crores, the government would have really raised it 5 times.